Construction of the Tanzanite Bridge is on track to the finish line. The $130 million bridge is built by the Tanzanian government in cooperation with a South Korea firm. The Tanzanite Bridge is a bridge that connects the northwest of Dar es Salaam city center to the Oyster Bay neighborhood. The bridge will significantly decrease traffic jam in Ali Hassan Mwinyi Road, which is on the Zambezi Delta passing in the Indian Ocean. The Tanzanite Bridge is expected to reduce weight to its older compatriot, the Cylinder Bridge, which was established back in 1929. The old Cylinder Bridge is named after John Einar Cylinder, the first director of public works for Tanzania. This 1.3 kilometers bridge, which upon completion will be East Africa's longest bridge, replacing the Mkapa Bridge, which is found in southern Tanzania. The construction of the Tanzanite Bridge will be accompanied along with the development and revamping of a 6.23 kilometers road network. The name of the bridge comes from Tanzania rare mineral, Tanzanite, which is only found in Tanzania. And it's also one of the rarest minerals in the world. You can learn more about this project by watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video.